Magandang hapon po ng July 26, 2025 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 26, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, July 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 26, 2025, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, July 26, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for July 26, 2025, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.